At its core, remote config is a key value store for the public parameters in your app that you want to be able to tweak from the Firebase console. Key value may remind you of the real-time database. But remote config is meant specifically for values that control the behavior and the appearance of your app. But just because remote config can update your app on the fly without going through the regular app update process, doesn't mean that you should be putting all your parameters in there. Here are 3 things that you should not be using remote config for. First, parameters should not require user authorization. Remote config parameters should be wholly controlled by you, the app developer. If you configure parameters that should have been authorized by your user first, it can make your app untrustworthy to your users. Second, confidential information does not belong in remote config. That means no server keys or any other secrets that you don't want anyone else to know about. Since there are no security rules on remote config, anyone can access the parameters. Lastly, remote config should not be used to work around policies of your app's platform. For example, don't add a remote config parameter that hides a feature while the app is going through app review, and then remotely activate the feature only after the app has been published. Let's take a look at how we can enable Firebase Remote Config in Friendly Chat. We'll check out the Firebase console first and then implement code in the app.